it guys? So today we are going to try and sort out this annoying light that keeps on coming on, and we'll try to get rid of this annoying engine light. So let's get to it. Firstly, we're gonna have to take the sensor off. I did some research as to why the engine light could be showing all the time. Might be due to a dirty mass airflow sensor. So we'll undo all of these clips here. Take this off.
I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you was a game before, so now it's no way. No way. No way. No way. Don't ask me for this, don't ask me for that. There's ice in the safe, get iced if you chat. I might flip my wrist, I might flip the stack, I might steal your chest.
See, I've taken off the filter, the pipe, and the bracket with the sensor in. So I just have to take this part off and then spray it with sensor cleaner. As you can see, I've got a sensor cleaner here, and then we'll see if that works. Don't mind the filter, I banged it up a bit. We'll be replacing that. So the sensor's off. I don't think I'll need to take this off. What I've read is that maybe I just need to spray this inner part with a sensor cleaner. In. Sensor came out, cleaned, dried. Just need to tighten this up, and then we'll see if it has worked. Okay, so let's start it up and see if it has done anything. If not, we'll probably have to take it to my friend Nigel again, maybe to take the codes off and see if that has worked. Nope, still there, so codes probably have to be taken off of the reader. So yeah, started the car, it's still there. We'll probably have to take it to Nigel to delete the code and see if that has worked or not.